was issued by civil authorities. We have found at 2:57 p.m. on a Saturday that we found 5 beasts in the United States. These beasts came from a Korean game. We have zero idea on how or what got them here, but we advise you to be safe, and you can follow these steps. Step 1. Lock your doors and windows. Step 2. Hide in a good place where they cannot find you at all, like a bed, closet, etc. And step 3. Make sure you hide your children and babies in a place where they cannot find them. This is all for now. Thank you for your collaboration, and we hope you stay safe, and we hope you have a good evening and night.